So what a start, what a equalizer this for Poland there. Piatek scored the goal and equalizes in the 30th minute. Wonderful game, and Australia took the lead there, but the former AC Milan striker had a different idea here, and yes, they are without playing. They are without Lewandowski there today, and that's a Piatek he scored the goal. Yes, strike bad, and what a sensation we just saw this for them. So well. So that's it. Stay tuned for the latest updates from me. What a goal. This is from Piatek. The former AC Milan has striker has equalized for Poland there. It's a wonderful game, a wonderful reaction this one. So that's it. Stay tuned for the latest updates from mine, and what a game, what a sensation piece of goal this is from Piatek there. Yes, equalizer after Austria took the lead there. So that's it. Stay tuned for the latest updates from me. I want to put it. Take care.